This video has been recorded in the Shona language. If you are interested in this video but you do not understand the Shona language, you can check in the comments section. You are going to find a link which takes you to a similar video which has been recorded in the English language. Thank you. Tichiri kuenderera mberi ne question paper redu tapa number 8. Question paper redu rine 28 questions. This question paper is ZIMSEC, Zimbabwe Schools Examination Council, written in 2016 June session, and it's paper 1. 8A irikuti express 0.5 liters in cubic centimeters. So 0.5 liters in cubic centimeters. What we have to understand here is this property. Inoti iyo 1 milliliter it's equal to 1 cubic centimeter. Saka ichimofa ngotongozviziva, it's a unit of measure. 1 milliliter ndiyo 1 cubic centimeter. So what it then means is kana 1 liter iri equal to 1000 milliliters. Soreva izvo kuti 1 liter iri equal to 1000 cubic centimeters. Sando patanga chida kusvika. We need to know kuti 1 liter amborima cubic centimeters mangani in order for us to be able to solve this. Saka hiye manje pakusolve apa takuchishandisa proportion. So our method, let me just say M1, takushandisa proportion. But maitiro andoita proportion andakadzidziswa na Godfrey Museva. I remember the name very well. Do maitiro andakatanga kuita proportion from that form 2 class 2C Gogomera High School until now. That's the way I do proportion, and it's special. Maitiro atonoita proportion the aya. Tinonyora anonzi ma statements of proportion. Kana kuti statements of proportionality. Rather, ngatingoti for the sake of making it simpler, my statements of proportion. My statements of proportion edu, our first statement should be true. And this true statement inot iyo 1 liter, it's 1000 cubic centimeters. Saka that is our first sentence. It's true. Ichokwadi kuti 1 liter is 1000 cubic centimeters. Then our second statement should be the question. Question iri kuti kudini? Question iri kuti express 0.5 liters in cubic centimeters. Saka statement yedu yechi2 it's 0.5 liters imbori equal to how many cubic centimeters. And because we do not know, tavatati x. Saka ari 2 aya anonzi ma statements of proportion. Toatinotanga tanyora. Our first statement should be true. 1 liter, it's 1000 cubic centimeters. Then our second statement should be the question. Trikutsvaga how many cubic centimeters in 0.5 liters. Then effect checker. Kutuone kuti wa nyora ma statements ako are correct. You should check kuti ma liters ari kusadrawo ega, ma cubic centimeters ari kusadrawo ega. In essence, what I mean is make sure kuti kuside 1 kune the same unit, then the other side kune the same unit. Kureva kuti you cannot say 1 liter it's 1000 cubic centimeters, then panabove what 0.5 liters, panabove what x cubic centimeters. This becomes wrong because chakutanga, this statement is correct, it's true, but your second statement it's not true. The same units should align. Tapedza kunyora ma statements of proportion. Zvatichaita manje ndezvekuti we are going to convert this into an equation. Chatatiza ndezvekuti more or less zvataita especially ku primary, more or less, then you begin to think saka more inoda pamusoro here inodi no. Apa tangoshandisa algebra. All thanks to the Islamic mathematician who designed algebra. sataushandisa algebra. What we are doing here is kuside kunoku tichati 1 over 0,5. Saka tangoisa division line panapa. Then masemicolon chama replace ne equal sign. Then panapa tuvatati 1000 over x. The reason yatisiri kunyorera ma units edu ina yekuti akatongofanana kunoku, like kuside kunoku ne liters chete saka chakanzelana, kunoku ne cubic centimeters chete saka chakanzelana. Plus we are not doing physics where kusatonyora ma units, it's a crime, it's a crime of passion. In mathematics you can ignore units so long the answer is correct, you are awarded your marks accordingly. Otherwise kutonyora ma units are wrong as number iri iyo can actually make you lose marks. So that is how we convert our statements of proportion into an equation. Then tana equation yedu tangoisolve. Then panapa ndo patinowanza kuemploy method yavanoti cross multiplication. Kureva kuti x uyu acha enda kumsoro kwa chino divide 1, saka 1 times x it's equal to, then 0.5 acha no divide 1000, 0.5. Saka 1 times x ndi x it's equal to 1000 times 0.5 ndi 500. Does one sense number weka because 0.5 ndi half ndi 1 over 2. Saka half ya 1000 ndi 500. Asiwa mwangati weka kune vanoda kuweka ka 5 times 0 0, 5 times 0 0, 5 times 0 0, 5 times 1 ndi 5. How many decimal places? 1, 500. Or convert into 1/2, then it becomes 1000 multiplying half, we still get 500. Saka manje final answer yedu tengeta kuti therefore 0.5 liters is equal to 500 cubic centimeters. To underline odaiso toma waniro atinoita. Let us go on to the second part of question number 8. 8b iri kuti a woman earning $275 had her salary increased by 5%. Calculate her new salary. Saka pane union yaitwa vanhu vamacha town. Then my union representatives vaita a meeting with the government. Government yabvuma ku increase my salaries by 5%. Saka this woman was earning $275, which is not livable. It's not a livable wage, that one. Because kanchida not Maria urukukora is not livable. Chingoi divided by 30 kutuone kuti pazuva anohora mari, then also divided by maybe 10. Kanoshanda 10 hours a day. Kutuone kuti per hour urukora mari. Kana uchikora less than $1 per hour, you are being exploited. So what becomes the new salary? After anga ini $275, the salary has been increased by 5%. There are two methods here. Method 1. So method 1 tatunoita tinotanga tada kuziva kuti 5% ye salary yake mbori mari. Saka chinonzi 5% kuti 5 of 100. Twatati times salary yake yacho $275. Saka kuisolve iyi tinogona kutanga ta multiplier here kureva kuti tichati 275 times 5. 5 times 5 ndi 25 to carry 2. 5 times 7 ndi 35, 36, 37, saka 7 to carry 3. Then 5 times 2 ndi 10 plus 3 ndi 13. Kureva kuti tina 1375 dividing it by 100. Then 100 into 100 ndi 1. 100 into 137, that's 1. With the remainder of 37, you will up. 100 into 375, that is 3. Then you have to a comma with the remainder of 75 with the decimal place. 100 into 750, that is 7 with the remainder of 50, another placeholder rather. 100 into 500, the 5. Kureva kuti, we have $13.75. Ndo Maria wedzerwa papayee. A woman earning $275 her day's salary increased by 5%. Calculate a new salary. Kureva kuti new salary, the new salary inofanira kuva equal to mari yanga chimbohora 275 tiri kungoedha ka 5% kawedzerwa. Saka iye toisawo 2 maplaceholders edu kana kuti madecimal places. 0 plus 5 ndi 5, 0 plus 7 ndi 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 plus 1 ndi 8. Saka indo mari yakuhorwa na mama $288.75. Still not a livable wage. It's exploitative. But ngatisiyani inazvo. Sando mawekera tinoita for method number 1. Saka take note of that answer, $288.75. Rega tonoti method number 2 yedu inotipa here the same answer. I kept pakanzi new salary apo kuti tizongokombea zvakanaka. So method number 2 yedu inodai so. Tiri kuti before salary increase, salary yake yanga iri 100%. Saka 100% ye salary yanga iri chi $275. Then once a woman earning $275, her day's salary increased by 5%. Calculate a new salary. Saka salary yake iri ku increase by 5%. But 5% iri kunowedzera kuna 100 kunoku. Saka yanga imbori 100%, but yava 100 plus 5% to make it 105%, but 15% hatisi kuiziva, saka takuiti ndi x. And saka panapa tanga tichinyora ma statements of proportion. The first statement, it's true. Then the second statement, that's our question. What is going to be 105%? It's going to be x. Solving it, we are just saying 100 over 105 is equal to 275 over x. If we happen to cross multiply, we are going to end up with x being equal to x yauya uku 100 ichauya kuno uku, then panapa ita 275 times 105. Andika saka panapa manje let us see kuti 275 times 105 amborani. Let us now see kuti 275 times 105 amborani. Saka tine 2 ma placeholder, 1 times 5 ndi 5, 1 times 7 ndi 7, 1 times 2 ndi 2. Then panapa we also have a 0, then 0 times everything is going to be 0. Then 5 times 5, that's 5 to carry 2. 5 times 7, 35, 36, 37, 7 to carry 3. 5 times 2, the 10 plus 3 becomes 13. So let us add these two to 20. 0 plus 0 plus 5 into 5, 0 plus 0 plus 7 into 7. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 7 plus 1 into 8. Then panapa 2 plus 0 into 2. Kureva kuti panapa tiri x iri equal to shi 28875 dividing on 100. Sangati dzike pasasi panapa. Remember kuti box red iri ndere answer yedu method number 1 yatoda kuzokombea ne answer yachawana apa. Saka tiri kuti x are equal to 28875 dividing 100. Saka 100 into 100 ndi 1. 100 into 288 ndi 2 with a remainder of 88 chawaya panapa. 100 into 887 ndi 8 with a remainder of 87 ichawaya panapa. 100 into 875 ndi 8, then tana comma with a remainder of 75, then twataisa a placeholder. 100 into 750 ndi 7 with a remainder of 50, another placeholder. 100 into 500 ndi 5. Kureva kuti x is going to be equal to $288.75. Saka answer yedu ish ne ish zvabva zvafanana. So you have to choose kuti udashandisa method ipi. itoshandisa methods akawanda because I am instructing vanhu vakawanda. Saka I have to cater for my different intellectual capabilities evanhu uye my different preferences ema students andiri kudzidzisa potentially through this YouTube channel. Asi iwewe you have to choose one method yaunoona kuti you understand better. What do I prefer? I advise kuti mu choose method number 1. It's a lot easier, but you have to be careful. Mufanira kungwarira. Vanhu vazhinji vanozongogumira pakuwana 5% ye $275. Vanhu vazhinji havazozivi kuti vanofanira kuzoedha yavawana iyoyo to 275 in order to get the new salary. Saka that's a downside for method number 1. Vanhu vazhinji vanoigumira panzira. Method number 2 takes you directly to the answer, but in order some understanding, say at a demonstrator apo patanyora ma statements of proportion. Vanhu vazhinji havazonyatsi kugona kunyora ma statements of proportion zvakanaka. Then chimwe chinhu chamufanirwa kudzidzira kugona kudivide into, like example, kudivide 100 into 28,875. Many people find it challenging kudivide manamba kana ati kure zvishoma. Because remember, this is paper 1, hatipindi necalculator paper 1. Saka kutodzidzira kuti tinodivide sei. Otherwise, since my answer yedu ya authenticate ne 2 ma methods akasiyana, so that our answer it's correct. It has 2 witnesses. If you have any question pertaining to tambaiwana sei ku answer iyo, you can ask in the comment section. Unamwo ma questions imwe mubvunzo ordinary level mathematics yaunoda kunzwisisa kuti inowekwa sei. Nditsvage, unoenda kuma details ya YouTube channel ino, uchawana email, uchawana my phone numbers angu. You can send me a question or just copy and paste that question into the comment section. I'm going to attend to it. Kana wabatsirika, please subscribe, share and like kuitira kuti vamwe vabatsirwewo sekubatsirika kwavaita. And thank you for watching.